Hey everyone, Liam here from the Liam Gamers TV channel, and welcome back to the new November, 2nd of November. Now I'm showing you guys this. I'm going to make another video tomorrow, and then the day after, and then you guys know what it is. It's 1 minute. It's Halloween. So it's not Halloween, it's bonfire night. So what I thought I'd do is do a bonfire night like day, and because I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you what I should do, but first I'm going to think about having an Xbox 360. So if you can hear that, that's just taps running. It stopped. Why would I need an Xbox 360 when I'm buying an Xbox One? Can't do that. When I'm already getting to buy an Xbox One, I mean, why wouldn't I? It's the best thing ever to do. Because they're less laggy. They are less laggy. Let me tell you, less laggy. Hey guys, 1 sec. Sorts now. Minutes and it's got to record a vid, which is what I'm doing right now. And hopefully you know that this background wall will change to like a green colour. So if you did not enjoy that cutscene for a sec, where I just literally go like that, but I'm just going to get something. I'll be back in a sec. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Just went to get some food. I get a refill of my coffee. I'm not really all in age to have coffee, but it is coffee. Well, it's tea. Lemon tea. Lemon lime tea. If you guys haven't tried lemon or lemon lime tea, have it. Subscribe. But now, guys, I have to leave because my tea will be ready any few minutes now. Well, about 20 minutes, but I still got to record another video later of explanation and all that kind of stuff. So, subscribe. When I do this, I fully do this. Right, ready for the big outro. And please do watch my videos. About 8 videos. Yeah, so let's see. When I upload this video, I'm gonna see exactly how many likes I have. So I'm going to get on my office chair and outro again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like these videos. Also, it's Hans to be the first to see about me. Please subscribe and join the team. Liam today. Apart from that, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.